Now, if you're good with numbers and have a knack for organising data, then you may be able to make some extra cash by using Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Excel, so whether you're a student looking for a side hustle or an entrepreneur looking for a new business idea, watch this video and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. From managing finances to tracking inventory, it can help users stay organised and efficient. And for many businesses, Excel is an essential part of daily operations. However, did you know that you can also use Excel to make money? There are several online jobs available today that need only Microsoft Excel as a skill. So, in this video, I'll show you where to go and either learn or improve your Microsoft Excel skills for free, and then where to apply or how to earn hundreds of dollars each month by utilising Excel. So let's get started. So let's start with where you may go to learn or improve your Microsoft Excel skills. Most of us have used Excel at some point in our lives. In fact, people nowadays learn Microsoft Excel skills in middle school, generally between 5th and 7th grade. If you lack confidence in your Excel skills, want to become an Excel ninja, or just need to brush up on some basics, there are plenty of free resources available online. First, where you can learn. And the first place to go to is Microsoft's website. Microsoft's website has a lot of helpful information about Excel. On their support website, you can find quick start guides and introductions to Excel. You can also learn about rows and columns, cells, formatting formulas, examples of how to build charts and pivot tables, and how to share and co-author files. You may watch them one at a time or all at once, and you'll get a solid understanding of how to use Excel. The next website on the list is edx.org. They have several free Excel courses as well as other resources like videos and ebooks available. So, some of the courses include Analyzing Data with Excel, Foundational Course Excel for Everybody, Data Management, Data Analysis Foundation Calls, etc. Number 3, if you want to learn more about data analysis, then Udemy is a great place to go. Udemy offers both paid and free courses. You can find a course called Useful Excel for Beginners that's received positive reviews from almost 50,000 people. The course is 9.5 hours long and covers 89 lectures. So much good info is available for free. YouTube is at number 4. It's a great place to find videos that teach you how to do different things with Excel. And if you have a question or want to learn more about a specific feature, just search for it on YouTube and you will find a video that explains how to use it. Where you can apply your Excel skills. You could begin working as a contractor or freelancer through platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork or freelancer.com. You could also build your network by connecting with friends and family members or utilising social media tools. If you have a knack for analysing data, you could even start a freelancing career providing data analysis services to clients. When you go to Upwork, you can search for jobs that use Microsoft Excel as a skill. So once you've done that, you'll see there are presently more than 5,000 jobs open looking for Microsoft Excel skills. They range from entry-level to expert and they're quite well diversified. Even if you're a beginner, there will be some jobs that use Microsoft Excel, or if you are this Excel ninja who is incredibly advanced, there will be some fantastic possibilities. Let's check out Fiverr to see what other ideas we can find and what other freelancers are offering for Excel skills. And as you can see, someone is saying, I will do anything with Excel and macros, VBA as quickly as possible, charging roughly $10 to construct customized Excel VBA macros, and I will perform Microsoft Excel formula automation macros in VBA for $25. So you can see you can make money as a freelancer by offering your services on platforms like these. Another way to monetize your Microsoft Excel skills would be to build and sell templates. And there are plenty of platforms where you can do that, which we'll check out shortly. But before all that, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel as well. Right, let's get back to the video. Because people use Excel to keep themselves organised. Many small businesses are still using paper documents, which is not as efficient. If you can get these businesses to switch to Excel, it will help them be more organised and run their businesses better. With Excel, you can create templates for everything from invoices to reports to charts to budget templates, and the list goes on. This can be a great way to passive income. Once you've created the template, you can sell it over and over again without having to do any additional work. One way to make money from your templates is to sell them online, and a good place to do this is on Etsy.com. You can also find templates for sale on this website, as well as buy templates that other people have created. You can start selling your products on Etsy by creating an account. The process is very easy and should only take you about 30 minutes. You will need to upload your templates and start selling them. The process is simple and you can get started today if you have the templates ready. You may use your own colour scheme and design and target a certain niche with them. Perhaps someone who runs a hair salon or someone who wants to study something for school has lots of options. I'm sure you're clever. You'll come up with something fantastic. Envato Elements is another option to look at, and Envato is a large market. They provide video live as well as graphic river and a variety of other services. But they also sell Excel templates. So if you simply search for an Excel template, for example, you'll see that you have invoice templates and various designs available. Now, as I said, you won't be selling hundreds of dollars for a single template, but you will be able to charge 10, 15, 20 or 30 depending on the complexity and usefulness of the template. And after selling 10, 15 or 20 copies of those templates on Envato or Etsy, you could earn several $100s a month simply by uploading and selling them. One way to monetize your Excel skills and start making money quickly is to apply for either part-time or full-time jobs, where Microsoft Excel is one of the main requirements. And you can find these kinds of jobs on platforms like LinkedIn Jobs or Indeed, or you can just go ahead and apply directly to companies' websites. Finally, you can also offer Excel training services to those who need help learning how to use the program effectively, and there is a growing demand for online learning materials. And if you're able to create clear and concise tutorials, you can earn good money teaching others how to use Excel. This could be in the form of one-on-one coaching, group classes, or even an online course. If you have expertise in Excel, there's surely someone out there who would be willing to pay for your knowledge. Well, that's all. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius. Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.